How's it going, rednecks? In this video we're going to be replacing the Fender, and the reason for that is because it is pretty bashed up and it's the only real bad part on this truck, as well as I need to remove that fender anyways to replace the antenna wire. If you've seen the last video, I have this interior almost all put back together except for the dash, and that's because the antenna wire going outside is broken. So luckily, I managed to get my hands on a used fender from LKQ, as well as the antenna and antenna wire from Disaster Transport. Now unfortunately, I'm stuck in the garage because it's raining out, but it looks like I have enough room, so what do you say we get started and just start unbolting this fender?
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side.
Alright, with the fender off, we can see what's going on here with the antenna wire, and it comes through the firewall right out the side here, and it's got to be pulled out this way. So what I'm going to do is inside the interior here, this is where there is a union or a plug-in. This is what goes to the outside, and it goes down and under behind the heater box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of wire, tape it to that, pull this through, and then I can take the new one and attach it to this wire and pull it back through to the inside here. So hopefully that works out, because I looked at where that wire goes down inside the dash and it is really far behind this heater box, so there's no way to access this. So if this wire lets go when I'm pulling it through, I have to pull this whole dash out, pull that heater box out, and then feed that antenna wire. So yeah, let's hope this works.
It's you and
Alright, with the antenna wire ran to the inside, we can get to installing this fender.
we go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and
Well, there we go. With the fender installed, it looks a heck of a lot better. And word of advice, if you're going to be buying one for this style truck, make sure you get one for yours, because the Yukons and Sierras are different than the Tahoes, Silverado, and Suburban, as well as the Cadillac Escalade. So yeah, make sure you get the right fender, because this cutout right here is different for all three. But yeah, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this short video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work.